Good morning. Okay, so for the 12.2 hands-on task, you will need two things. You will need a hands-on task paper like the one that you see on the screen now. That is at the supply shelf. And then you will need just below this paper on the supply shelf, there is a basket, and that basket has little bag. You only need one bag, and it has 6 different triangles cut up in that little bag. So you'll need this paper and one of those little bags of triangles. Now, when you do this task, the paper that you'll turn in is this paper that's on the screen. The little triangles in the bag, you need to be very careful, make sure that they all get back into the bag when you're done and they get put back into the basket for someone else to use. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your triangle. Say I have this one. Okay, I have this triangle, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this triangle and I'm going to put it in this first box, the first column, and I'm going to put it down and I'm going to trace it in this column. I made sure that all the triangles are small enough to fit in this box. You're going to trace your triangle in this box. You are going to label your, you're going to use a dotted line to label your height and your base. And then in this second box, in the second column, you are going to write what the height is and what the base is in centimeters. Okay, so you're going to use centimeters. You're going to get a ruler, you're going to measure your triangle, all you're doing in the second box is B equals whatever centimeters, H equals whatever centimeters. Then in the third box is where you're going to do your math. Write out the formula, plug in all of your numbers in your formula, and then solve. Okay, there are 6 triangles in each bag, so you'll do it 6 times. Each triangle is different, so you need to make sure that you don't repeat any triangles, okay? There is an example picture of what one should look like. I did a triangle that was different than any of the 6 that were in the bag, and the picture is just below this video in Canvas.